That's even better. But it still shows the I put it one last. Let's try it there. Because they don't want that to show. Okay.
Isn't that the stuff that you iron and it locks it in?
What?
That the thread.
Yeah, no, what do you mean you iron?
There's a thread that you iron and it disappears.
No. I haven't seen that. Why? Have you?
Yeah,
Come
they
on.
sell them at the dry cleaning supplies.
I don't know. You know, he was old, so I guess he must have died. Yeah, that's pretty good. Look, it's a little deep, but
That's
Don't
perfect.
you'll be surprised at some of these bitchy people. I'm gonna go to one more.
If you use the other thread, it's easier. It hides it more.
Which thread?
The regular thread.
I don't have it.
The regular.
Regular sewing thread?
Yes.
You're a kid.
Yep. Because this thing is hard to do the tension on it.
That's even deeper. It won't grab well.
Remember, now you went to 2. So
It's on 2.
yeah. We started at 4, went to 3, and now you went to 2.
I want it in this try something. No, I had it. Oh shit.
I can't see it.
I can. I can put a pencil. What? Your eyes are worse than mine? And I need. Right? Okay. Let's get a place to turn it. Here. Okay, let's do it. I don't have no. Yeah, it's on. That little light bulb ain't much. You
No.
can take that back. Okay?
I'm giving it to you. I didn't charge
No,
you.
I can get a light bulb at home. Brandon. You know the lead ones that don't make no heat? Okay. Wait a minute. How's come there's such a... This is the first... Now I gotta move my marks again because I have no numbers. Here, we gotta go... That's tighter. We gotta make it looser to a bigger stitch.
That's the smaller stitch.
No. It gets bigger as you turn it this way. Got it? Look,
Just
it
checking
says-
you.
Look, perfect. Top and bottom. This is it. It goes bigger that way, okay? See, it keeps getting bigger. Okay, and it still stretches. Perfect. Look at that. Look at that. Man, I never had anybody come in and do a better job. Thank you. Go get your money.